says yes, no man can say no. When God says yes, no man can say no.
Jamike, thank you very much for listening to me. Please, I want you and your sister to live in peace. This issue should not come in between both of you. Oinugo? Biko.
Mama, I thank you for your kind advice, your efforts, everything you put in just to make sure my sister and I settle this issue amicably. Thank you very much, Mama.
At least for nothing. For the sake of my late daughter Alice. You know Alice is so fond of your sister Cambry. And she will never want to see her troubled. She can go to any length. May her soul rest in perfect peace. It's okay. It's okay, Mom. It's okay. God knows the best. Oh, it's alright. Oh, thank you. Please take care of yourself. Oh, please.
Agatha, you are now Mama's solid daughter. Take good care of Mama. I will. Alright, I'm giving you this.
She's a good girl.
Hey! Buy foodstuffs and other groceries for Mama. Hey, let her keep looking good like this.
Thank you.
Are you paying for the food she ate?
Let me just go with my sister.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Camden,
Agatha,
take care of yourself.
Bye bye. Agatha,
no running around though.
Bye. Take care of
no
yourself.
Running around though. Camden, who check the prayer? Hey. Hi. Nice boy. God will bless you.
Jam.
Come.
You called me.
Yes.
When?
Yes. I wanted us to toast to a new beginning.
Hey!
A new bond between us that will put our past behind us, so that we can live peacefully, cheerfully as twin siblings.
Hi, Jam. You really thought it out well.
Yes. This is the real queen, pure and undiluted.
You see, in this life, nothing will ever separate us.
For we grew together.
To the same beat of our mother's heart. It's sweet though. What happened?
I told you, pure and undiluted.
Sorry. Hey! Very sweet. Jam, is anything matter? Jam, phone you worry. It's my one more. Please take me go hospital.
Jamike, you see this concoction? It has already carefully prepared. All you need to do is to add 2 spoons inside her drink and to flush away the pregnancy.
Miss Opaka, I hope he's safe. I don't want anything that will kill her.
No, just do as I said, 2 spoons. Don't add more. If you add more, she may die. She may die. Take, you come and thank me later.
So you mean 2 spoons of this will flush away that thing in her stomach?
Flush it away. Just 2 spoons and it's over.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Alright.
Go.
How can we stay together forever? If you kill me, if you kill your only 2 sisters, please take me go hospital. Mama,
Ever since you came back from your medical treatment abroad, you have not been yourself. Izuna, you should be happy and thankful. Not so many people survive what you just passed through.
Yeah, you're right. I'm really, really thankful to God, you know. But I mean, the only reason I fought so hard to conquer cancer is no more. So how do you expect me to be happy?
That is the reason. You need to move on. A major reason why you need to move on. Or do you want to kill yourself because she's dead? I see you dialing her number every day. Are you expecting her to pick or something? I know how you feel, okay? But please, I don't want you to have a mental breakdown.
See, I do not really care if I should lose my senses, but if that can bring her back to me, fine. Look at me. Yes, I'm healed of the sickness. But am I really living? What is this life without Kambili? What am I doing without Kambili?
Hold on. You call what you had with Kambili a life? That was abject poverty. You were living from hand to mouth. Yes. Listen, I am willing to get you a job in one of my father's companies. Yes, I will do that for you. And if you don't like that, with his contact, I can get you a job in an oil company. Yes. All you need to do for me in return is leave the past behind you. Okay? And move on with me.
I was going to tell you that I'll be traveling to the village first thing tomorrow morning.
What for? Why?
There are some things I need to go sort out. I'm yet to go there since I came back.
But you have no one in that village. You are one orphan that was abandoned by his relatives and kinsmen, so what are you going to sort out?
One person that was there for me when I lost everything. One person that didn't abandon me when I was battling with cancer. One person that gave to me all she has. And it looks like I was going to die. I really need to go and see by myself if she's really dead.
Izuna, you have your interview tomorrow. And you know I pushed everything to get you that position.
Sabina, every other thing can wait till I come back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hold on. A well-paying job that you've searched for all these years?
I know, and I really do appreciate all you did for me. Yes. But I need to go sort out that which troubles my heart and my whole being. Any work can wait till I come back. When I'm done, I'm going to start off any kind of work I want to.
But she knows what she wants.
Jamike, I was actually going to your house to see you.
What for? Do I have any business with you?
Jamike, please calm down, okay? Please. Kambili, I want to see her, please.
Izuna, do you not have any shame? Like, what has my family done to you? I'm asking you, Izuna. You dated my sister and you fooled her to give you money meant for our mother's treatment. And what happened? My mother died because of you. Now you are here standing before me again to ask for my sister, the same sister that you killed because she was trying to remove the baby you put inside of her. Ah, Izuna, it will never be well with you. Izuna! Omadregemma.
Jamike.
Nonsense.
Jamike, hold on. Jamike, I am so sorry. You mean Kambili is dead? Oh my God. This trauma would never leave me to the rest of my life. I know I've wronged you people. Yes, but please, I beg you in the name of God, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know there's nothing I would do in this world for you to forgive me. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I will make it up to you.
That will never happen. Izuna, that will never happen. Not in this lifetime. Get out of my sight before I lose it.
Jamike, please.
Get out of my sight before I lose it. Nonsense.
Wow, my brother, what's happened? You just disappear from this way, you disappear totally, nobody see you. You go appear again, appear another different person. What's happened now?
I was flown out of the country to receive proper treatment.
Budoyibo? Hey, now wow, it really showing you. Honestly, you really changed. You changed, everything about you changed. Thank God, thank God.
Yeah, thank God for everything. Please, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Do you know the whereabouts of Kambili?
Jamike's sister?
Exactly. When was the last time you saw her?
My brother, the last time when I see him, I see him for road with him, brother. Jamike, they push him. You want kill him? I say wait. Yeah. I hold him. I say Jamike waiting. Why you want kill him? Like your sister. Why you want? You say me leave. I say wait. Wait what happen? Say the girl get belly. Say the girl get belly. Say one he was about to say one kill him. Huh? I go home, try to calm him down. No, they can't go. Small time again, the story when I hear, you know, like but I go talk him. I can hear say the girl, see one go aboard the child, and he die. Hi! I shall say Jesus. He died. So,
Hey. So this is true. Jamike said that. I thought he was joking.
I tell you, see, the way I see Jamike, he's the first, the para, he move around you. If he see you, see the arrest you. He go carry police arrest you. So I just give the advice to come out, make him just calm down, make him calm down. If you come back again, just come out, I beg. That's the first, the para.
My heart is full of memories. We built memories and shared many moments together. With pride, I speak of your name, Kambili. Sorry I had to put you through this. I wasn't there to stop you. I wish I could get another chance to rewrite this part of our story, but I cannot. Though life goes on without you, it will never be the same. I love you with all my life. Come. I'll carry you with me in my heart wherever I go.
Life is not going to be the same without you, Zonam. How am I living this life if I'm not going to see you? Zonam, I hold you here. I hold you here forever. Till we sin again.
Hello, ma. I calling. You're not picking my call. Since last week, see, I calling. You telling me Zuna coming last month. I calling and not hearing from you again. That's because I thought he would. But he never came back. What do you mean he never came? Izuna died while undergoing treatment in the foreign hospital.
Chinekebe, it's not possible my Izuna is dead, you know. You promised Yijimi he will coming back.
I don't know how to explain it, but the doctors, they did their best. They did everything possible. I also did my best, but we lost him. I'm sorry.
Hey, Madam, bring him my Izuna back. Bring him my Izuna.
You know what? I'm also feeling his loss. So just, we have to move on. You move on and take care of yourself, okay?
Hello? 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 Hey! Get them, no, get them. Ewo!
It's been 3 weeks now since you stepped out or eating anything solid. You can't continue to live like this. Why are you doing this to yourself now?
Are you ready to give me back my phone?
You know the reason I took the phone away from you? Eh? You kept calling the woman. Our whole intention was just to help you, but you kept harassing her with your incessant calls. No, now.
Problem. I'm going to pack in my things and leaving.
Where to?
Today making it 5 months. Alice's body finding in the bush. Let me go see her mother and sister and spending time with them.
Kambili.
You can keep in the phone with you. Keep it.
I knew your trip down to the village would be a fruitless one. Eh? And it will break you down the more. Why are you trying to take responsibility for her death? And how are you even sure you're responsible for her pregnancy?
Hey, stop it, please. Don't even go there. That's the last thing she could do, to cheat on me.
Izuna, please. Let's not dig deeper, okay? You've been away for more than 5 months. What makes you think she has not fallen along the line?
Can you please respect the dead? She's not here to defend herself. She's dead and gone. So please do not bring up accusation against her. The few villagers I asked told me how her brother scolded her not to carry my child inside of her. Her brother hates me so much.
I'm sorry, okay? You know, I'm just worried about you. I really care about you so much.
Hey, Sabina, please, stop. I cannot do this. Please, stop.
Izuna, why? Your girlfriend is dead. And I'm here for you.
I know, but I can't still pull myself together to do anything with someone else. I can't. Can't you see that? I still feel her presence very strong around me. I can't do this.
Aren't you coming for your sister's memorial prayer?
No. I just want to sit here and read her last words to me.
Last words?
Yes.
Alice writing something?
She wrote this letter before she was found dead.
Alice writing this?
Yes.
Beloved Mama, I am really saddened and grieving at your death. It has made my twin sister and I full-blown orphans with the loss of Papa while we were still babies 24 years ago. I am wondering, yes?
Now that Mama is not living again, who will loving and caring us like her? Wike, because writing me too for Mama, so that Mama knowing I loving her. Oh, because
Kambili, you will have to write it yourself, huh? Take.
Wike, you know I not writing well. No. My it's not fine like your own. I know in this handwriting. I'm a maka of woman.
We are going to write a short test.
Oh, Bara Jesus, so test quoi?
You have to write test on those things I've taught you. You have to go and get a sheet of paper.
Okay, let me get a sheet of paper.
Kambili! Don't keep me waiting.
Mba. Alice not writing this. I know who written this. Then who did? I can't believe who did now. Tell me who did.
You have done the right thing, Kambili. Some other persons would want to hide or protect their brothers and relatives. But you are indirectly endangering your life. Because if your brother is guilty, then a murderer will stop at nothing than to take another life to protect himself. I've taken your statements. We will do the needful.
Police, because doing him a naughty something. Because
your brother lost the right to that plea when he took the life of another. But we'll do our job. Okay? Just let us do our job. Thank you. Have a great day. Hey, hold it. You must be Jamike Obonnaya.
Yes, and who are you?
I'm Detective Franklin Obi. State CID Homicide Division. We have a search warrant on your house.
Search warrant? Is anything the matter?
We have an intel that you're connected to the deaths of Alice and Osita. Officer.
Hey, hold it.
Don't move. Don't move.
Hold it.
Take him back. Move it.
There go.
I said move it. Move it.
Yes, I wrote the letter. But I didn't kill her.
My friend, this investigation has gone too long. I advise you to cooperate with us, tell us the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I swear, I don't know anything concerning the deaths of Alice and Osita.
Okay, so how do you explain the deceased phone found in your house? You can't speak anymore.
Casey!
Criminal.
Jamike, please, just open up to them now. Just tell them the truth. Tell them that you are the brain behind all these things. Please. That was your plan for us to rob Alice and steal the money that's meant for Izuna's treatment. Please, just tell them I'm okay here.
Guys, I must say that inflow of money into my girlfriend's account, I mean, the kind of credit alert my babe is receiving this period is over 2 million naira as I speak.
I never thought anyone would be moved by their story. I never did.
Jamike, you know, because you didn't watch the full video clip, that's why you're sounding the way you're doing. I put it to you that if you had watched it, believe me, you'll be forced to sell your shop, probably give out the whole money to him.
I would rather sell my property, take all the money, put inside refuse bin, and set it on fire, rather than donating my 1 naira to that guy Izuna. Gosh.
Jamike, is that the much you hate this Izuna of a guy? Why do you hate him like this?
See, that's not the reason I called us here. I want us to put our heads together on not to get that money from Alice.
I swear. Because 2 million plus is not the kind of money we just sleep on. Because while you're sleeping, some guys are out there making payments slip. See that money? We need that money. Must make them.
Mister, come on. Let's put our minds together.
So why did you make a report to the police all this while?
Officer, I was scared. He threatened to kill my mother and my sister if anybody gets to find out what happened. I was so scared, I couldn't stay. I have to run away, I have to go to Oka. Where your men found me and got me arrested.
Yeah. We tracked you from your phone number you used in calling Alice. The same day she went to the bank and withdrew money and was missing. Now, are you going to continue being strong-headed and admit to your crime? The whole evidence here is stocked against you. And I bet you won't go scot-free in this case. You won't.
Why? Jamike, why? Why? Jamike, why are you doing me this? Jamike, give him Merugi.
I have hurt you, Kambili, and let you down. I am deeply sorry for this shameful act. I have realized that I was self-centered and never considered your happiness all this while. I never let you leave. I have done so many regrettable things just to spite your feelings, so you don't date Izuna. Now I'm not even deserving of your love, but want me to be called your twin brother. But here is my last word to you, Kamili. Go and unite with Izuna. Izuna is still alive. It was that woman, Sabina, that lured us to lie to you that Izuna is dead. So I forged a plan with Opaka.
You mean Izuna is alive?
Yes, Izuna is still alive. As we speak, he is set to traditionally marry Sabina at the neighboring village, Umunsa.
mara singirishi. Kambiria mara dengirishi. Manoma kwa right yo. Kambiria mara singirishi. Kambiria mara doiba. Manoma kwa right yo. Kambiria mara singirishi. Itinke ya bubiti boliba. But she knows what she wants. Kambiria mara singirishi. You can call her Olodo, but she knows what she wants. What is written is written. This is true love. True love cannot be bought. With money, education, or qualification at all. No matter the weight of rain, no matter the trials, what will be, will be. God's time is the best. If I okay, Chineke, okay. If I okay, Chineke, okay. So stop fighting to take what belongs to another. You cannot fight someone's destiny at all. You know, go when God says.
Today is a great day for women's people. We are giving out our daughter for marriage. Lady, my daughter, you go and give this drink, this palm wine, to your special, your heart. so that we know who he is.
Achalugum.
Achalugum. Jessica.
Hey.
Mama Loma.
She don't know how to speak, she don't know how to write. Oyibo, oyibo. She don't know how to speak, she don't know how to write. Oh, English, oh. Cambio, cambio, cambio. Cambio, cambio, cambio. Cambia mara singirishi, cambia mara dengirishi, manama kwa right yo. Cambia mara singirishi, cambia mara doibo, manama kwa right yo. Cambia mara singirishi, itinke ya bukiti boliba. But she knows what she wants. Cambiria Mara English. You can call her Olodo, but she knows what she wants. What is written is written. This is true love cannot be bought with money, education, or qualification at all. No matter the weight of rain, a Messiah will get a no matter the trials, what will be, will be. God's time is the best. If I put okay, Chineke, okay. If I put okay, Chineke, okay. So stop fighting to take what belongs to another. You cannot fight someone's destiny at all. You know go here. When God says yes, no man can say no. When God says yes, no man can say no. Cambiria Mara Singerish.